How to turn off automatic sleep on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Focus. Focus lets you customize your devices and silence calls and notifications. Over here, tap on Sleep. And then, scroll down to the Schedule section at the end and tap on Next Schedule. On this page, turn off the Schedule feature at the top. This means that Sleep Focus will not turn on at your scheduled wind down. Now go to the wind down option below and change the timing to 0 minutes. This way, you get more control over how you use your device. Following these steps, you can easily turn off automatic sleep on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.